Hey, welcome to this channel. I've just finished another great trading session with binary options. If you want to find out the result of it, watch this video till the end and you'll find out. Let's start straight away. My name's Oliver. Let's go. Hey guys, we're gonna start today with $60 and let's see where that takes us. So for the first option, I'm gonna be using a MACD oscillator as well as zigzag and Donchian channel. So let's see. We're gonna go ahead and make a call option here because for various reasons. First of all, we see a trend. This is a bull trend. So we also are getting to a level of resistance, but we are yet to get there. So this is a chance on this pullback, on this small pullback, we enter at the bottom of it, and we can use that situation, this gap, until we reach the resistance level to use it to our advantage. So let's see if that's correct, and we continue after that. And this is the first profit for our first option, $115, which we're gonna put toward the next option to create the compound percent. So let's move on. Let's move on, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment because this helps enormously to the project. And let's move on with our next option. So here, what we see is there is a downtrend formed there, but we're gonna expect to go up from there because we've reached the support levels. So let's see if that's correct and find out, and then we move on. So here is the second profit from our second option, 210, and we're getting closer every time with using the entire profit from the option towards the next option. It's creating an exponential growth. So let's move on. Let's move on with 210, still 1 minute time frame, and let's see about here. We're getting to a point. So I'm gonna use a call option here because we have reached the middle line of the Donchian channel, which can act as a bit of a support and push towards again to correct for the correction towards their upper line, which also acts as a level. So basically, as you can see, that's the behavior that it has been going through for a few minutes there. So this is it. This is the exact same behavior that I'm expecting it to go for a moment, although it's tricky, but let's see if that's correct, and then we can continue. And here we have $400 from this option, and we're gonna put that towards our next option, of course. With 400, we're gonna enter into the next one. We're seeing a downtrend, strong downtrend, so we're gonna go with that. We're not gonna invent stuff here, so let's just get in there, and hopefully this is a correct decision. But from looking from all of the indicators, oscillator and the trend itself, this is almost certain that it's the down trend, it's the put option. So let's wait for the result of this and continue. Here is the profit from this, guys. So that's something interesting already. We have made 10x already on our balance, as you can see, a bit more even. So 742, we're gonna go ahead and place the next option. Guys, if you're wondering the decision making behind these, basically the decisions I'm taking, depending on the trend, on the indications on the oscillator. If you're wondering which things to look for most, and you want to find out for your own decision making, your own experience, don't forget that I leave the invitation link to a Telegram group where you can learn that. Just make this quickly a put option here. we're in a flat market, as you can see, and MACD is mostly for the short there. It's prevalent for the short. So yes, because what I suppose is going to happen here is a pullback in which we can profit, obviously, because right now we entered at the top of this uncertain market. It's a flat, and it's still yet to be to find a direction to move toward to. But right now we can profit from this little situation. As I was saying, invitation link to the Telegram group where you can learn a lot of useful information, how to read the graph, how to read the indications from indicator and oscillator both, and patterns, and basically technical analysis from basic to advanced, signals, and all the useful information you can find. As you can see, we just made profit from this option, and it's already getting into 4 figures. So let's move on, let's push a bit more, and yeah, let's see. Let's move on with the next option. Now we can place 1,430 towards the next option, and that's something already, something good already, that we can make quite a nice profit from. So let's see what's happening over this currency. Well, we reached, by the look of it, we are on the downtrend. This looks like a pullback. So we reached this pullback, and we entered at the top of the pullback because we know the direction of the trend is down. So basically from there it will go down. So that's why we enter at the top and wait for our profit, basically. So yeah, let's wait and continue. Here is the profit, guys. $2,759 from this option, and we're gonna go ahead and place 2K for the next option towards our next investment. And let's have a look. Let's put 2,000 and go to this currency. Right, so here I can see that we have had a downtrend there, but we've reached so we reached this middle line of the Donchian channel, which can act again as a support from which we can bounce off. So therefore, on a short time frame like this, 1 minute, it's a good decision to make. Although looking at the trend, at the MACD right now, you would think that you would want to go for a put option. That's a logical decision, but that's not only the factors to look for. That's why you really need to get that knowledge in you and create your own strategies for working with binary options or whatever assets or whatever trading you're using, investment you're using. It's general knowledge for any trading with some specific things to look for in binary options, but it applies for anything. So don't hesitate to check out that Telegram group. Guys, as you see, we just made profit from this option again, and we're gonna go ahead and push it a bit more. See, this is a nice situation to go into into the long call option. So we were moving quite a while with the downtrend. As you can see, we've even traded here for a pullback, and it reached a point where it meets the supports. It gets to a point where it cannot go any lower anymore, and when it's cheaper, it became, when the price is quite cheap, people start buying. Buyer comes, price starts to go up, and it bounces off this zone level and starts to go up. And the MACD has given a really nice indication for that. So yeah, let's wait for the result of this and continue. Here's the profit, guys. From this option, we're into 7,720 here. We're gonna stop here. I think this is an amazing profit. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.